In our earlier videos, we cover common buzzwords and acronyms used in the crypto space, and there were some of them under the NFT category. So in this video, we will focus only on the common NFT terms you need to know in order to navigate your way in the hot and upcoming NFT market today. Let's get started. One-of-one art. A unique edition or one of an NFT. Since there is only one piece, it is scarce, thus it is seen as valuable. Like the Mona Lisa. One of X. For example, one of 10,000. If you have one Bored Ape, your ape is one because it is the only piece. However, that ape is in the collection of 10,000, which is one of 10,000. 8B. Art blocks. One of the famous NFT projects with some NFT pricing over $1 million worth of Ether recently. Airdrop. Giving away a digital asset like crypto coins, tokens, or NFTs to wallets, usually a holder of a coin, token, or NFT. This can be used as a marketing strategy for the public to buy into a project. Alpha. A group that shares intel, secret knowledge, and valuable information first. It is a small, tight-knitted group where people in the group can get whitelist spots or get information first and fast. AMA. Ask Me Anything. Team founders and members behind the project will have a group call on either Discord, Twitter, or Clubhouse where users can ask them anything. 8. You didn't do your research and went to jump in on your project like a crazy monkey. You aped in on an NFT project without thinking. Blue chip. Super solid project that has high-value NFTs. The value of the NFT also rises above the rest of the market. Bored Ape Yacht Club is one such blue chip. Buying on secondary. After NFTs are minted, they can be bought or sold on the secondary market like OpenSea. The primary market is minting, after which minted NFTs go to the secondary market. Cash grab. A project designed to make the creators the most money without thinking about the investors. These projects require low effort that sells on the hype and offers no value to the buyers. Copycat. Someone copying a popular project with very little effort and creativity in hopes that the knockoff project will have the same results as the copied project. A lot of scammers are doing this. Always do your own research before buying an NFT. Degen. It is a short form for degenerate. These are people who make risky buys. In the NFT space, they are people who bought NFTs without doing due diligence. Delist. Take your NFT off the marketplace by canceling the listing. Discord. A chat app. Originally for gamers, but Discord found popularity with developers in the crypto space, particularly NFT projects. Doxing. Identifying and publishing personal information about a person on the internet. Drop. Drop means launching or releasing, for example. When is the drop? When is it launching or releasing? DYOR. Do your own research. We love this one. All our content is for entertainment purposes. Ultimately, you will need to do your own research before you buy something. Few. It just means few people will understand. You see this on Twitter. Sort of like IYKYK if you know, you know. Flip. Buying cheaper NFT and selling it for a higher price a few days later. Floor price. The lowest price for an asset in a collection currently. Floor sweep. Someone or a group constantly buying all the NFTs at floor prices or around floor price, sweeping all the low NFTs off the market. Gas war. This happens when the project is popular. People rush in to buy during minting and they compete with each other to pay the highest gas price in order to mint the NFT. Generative art. Certain traits are generated using AI to create X number of pieces in a collection, like 10,000 pieces of a character with a slightly different combination of traits. A lot of NFT projects are generative arts like CryptoPunks. Genesis. The first collection or the Genesis collection. GM. Good morning. Use this in Discord and Twitter NFT communities so you can sound like an OG. You can use GM any time of the day as the community is global. GN. Good night. It's a friendly and happy community, so remember to say your good mornings and nights. IRL in real life. IYKYK. If you know, you know. Means it makes sense for some people and not everyone. JPEG. A type of digital image file most art NFTs are. Liquidity. Ready coins like Ether in your wallet to buy NFTs. Larva Labs. The creators of CryptoPunks, who are John Watkinson and Matt Hall. Looks rare. A secondary market. It is a competitor to OpenSea. MetaMask. A popular digital Ethereum wallet. It is available as a browser extension and a mobile app. Mint. The first time a digital art is placed onto the blockchain. In NFT terms, it means buying it at a pre-sale price. NFT. Non-fungible token. Check our video on what is an NFT, link in the description below. OG. Original gangster. The badass, the first, the old school, the originator. Someone early on something. Someone highly respected or admired. OpenSea. The leading NFT marketplace on the Ethereum network. On-chain. Everything done on crypto is on-chain. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain. PFP. Profile picture. A unique profile picture in the crypto space. You can set your NFTs as a PFP. It's similar but yet not the same as an avatar, as it's designed to be unique. Probably nothing. Really means probably something important. Someone is saying something really important, but they are making a joke of this information. Rarity. NFT rarity determines the value of an NFT. One way rarity can be determined is by their rarity traits in the collection. Roadmap. The future plans of a project. The team can talk about the desired outcome, the milestones, the direction of the project. Royalty. A percentage of the sale price is paid to the developers of the project each time the NFT is being sold. Rug pull. A scam where developers or creators abandon a project after taking investors' money. Thin floor. The price difference between the floor price and the other higher one is not much significance. For example, floor price is 0.18 Ether, the next lowest is 0.19 Ether, or the next 5 closest are around 0.19 to 0.21 Ether. You get the idea. Whale. Someone who has enough coins to move the price of a coin, often with single trades, either by selling or buying large amounts of a coin. Whales can manipulate the floor price of an NFT collection by sweeping up the floor. Whitelist. It is like the VVIP list for an NFT project. If you are whitelisted, it means you have done the steps defined by the project team, and your Ether wallet address is now pre-approved to mint an NFT before the public can. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to share with your friends so everyone can learn more about crypto and NFTs. If you find this video useful, smash the like button, as it's a form of encouragement to the creators, and we thank you for that support. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future crypto-related videos. With that said, have a great morning, noon, night, wherever you are. See you in our next one.